Welcome to Llanrhidian Village Garden. The garden is set in the heart of Llanrhidian on Gower near Swansea. The land at the front and rear of the community hall was unused, overgrown and inaccessible. Work started on site in June 2021. The landscaping was challenging because an outcrop of limestone runs through the site, but this feature adds to the beauty of the garden. Landscaping was completed in December and planting by volunteers took place during the first half of 2022. The garden has magnificent views overlooking the Lougher Estuary and the Carmarthenshire Hills beyond.
Hello, I'm Diane. I'm the chair of Llanrhidian Village Hall. Welcome to our garden here. The garden was the last piece of the jigsaw puzzle with the renovations of the hall. The hall is used now for all sorts of events. It's a real hub for the village.
Children have been involved in planting the strawberries and are encouraged to pick them and the vegetables that are grown both in the beds here and also in the back garden. The garden Facebook page lets everyone know when the fruit and veg is ready. Surplus vegetables are picked and given to the local food bank, and the local school has been involved in making bug hotels which have been placed around the garden.
Mae'r ardd yn lle prydferth a llonydd sy'n cael ei mwynhau gan y pentrefwyr, yn ogystal â cherddwyr, beicwyr a phobl ar eu gwyliau sy'n pasio trwy ein pentref. Llecyn ble maen nhw'n gallu ymlacio, cael picnic neu dal i gwynt. Diolch yn fawr!
It's just amazing. I think the way it brings people together, they get and do work together, they have fun together, and it just frees up your mind. Brilliant.
Down for what I love it down there. Saved my life, man. Absolutely saved it, yeah. Well, other projects down here, boat club.
Place. Yeah, I wouldn't be anywhere else on a Tuesday.
Dig victory!
This was tennis court there, tennis court here, so we've kept half the middle tennis court, so then it gives access to people in wheelchairs and can walk. It's nice and clean throughout the year. We've got all native British trees. They come from sustainable British growers. An orchard that's been introduced from old trees that have been around Wales that people have forgotten about, and we're encouraging them to grow here then. So they could be the ugliest apple going that we had years ago, but they're the tastiest ones. So Ian and James built this old wall, and we've taken the grass from the top from the meadow, so we have meadow flowers, which is obviously habitats for mammals. Solitary bees we find in there. We've made a compost area. We've got a 1,000-litre water tank. We had kidney beans and everything here, broad beans, corn, loads of pumpkins, everything. School children coming down, cleaning the carrots and just eating them straight away. And it's just getting children to learn about nature and biodiversity.
This is Cilrath Acre. Really pleased to be able to say we've given an acre of this land to a new project. It's a part of Axe West Wales, which is a local charity who founded and runs Pembrokeshire Food Bank.
What I value about volunteering at the Acre is that you're working with like-minded people on a really important project. So we're growing things, we're out in the open air and beautiful countryside.
The thing I really love about this project is being able to contribute to the needs of others. That's very important to me, as well as just being outside in beautiful weather, beautiful scenery and great company.
It's really nice working together for a common goal, which is obviously supplying the food bank with food, and everyone is so generous with their time, and you know they're very kind and spirited, and I enjoy that.
We also want to take steps to address food poverty, so we're working with Food Bank and we'll be providing them with at least 50% of what we grow here and enjoying the rest of it with the volunteers that we work with.